Hi, boys and girls, and welcome back to Mr. Grable and our grade 4 science class, part 3 of the Magic School Bus. Inside the Earth. Dig it. Here we go. Okay. Boy, I don't feel totally ready for this. I'll never get used to this. Wouldn't you know it? Just when we were finding lots of fossils, Miss Frizzle said, "Back on the bus, kids." Then, as we were driving along, we heard rock crumbling underneath us. Down we went. Everything was pitch black, and we were falling. Class, we are now going deeper into the earth. I'd rather be going back to school. I can't believe I said that. We are falling. Help! Where? Oh my. We landed with a bump. Miss Frizzle switched on the headlights. We had fallen through a hole into a huge limestone cave. Rainwater has been dripping down through the earth for ages, said Miss Frizzle. The water wore away this cave in the rock. The Empire State Building is made of limestone too. Oh, do you guys know that? Look at that, that's a fact. This whole cave is made of limestone. Can you find more fossils here? Here's one, Miss Frizzle. Knock it off. We wanted to stay for a while, but suddenly the bus sprouted a drill. It started boring through the rock. Frizzle shouted, "Follow that bus!" And down we went. Look, a stalagmite growing from the ground, and a stalactite hanging from the ceiling. Ooh, here are some reports. Oh, they're going to teach us about stuff. How stalagmites and stalactites are formed by Phil. Shapes that look like cones and icicles are formed in caves by dripping water that contains tiny invisible bits of limestone. How to remember which is which? The word stalagmite has G for ground. The word stalactite has C for ceiling. Oh, I wondered how to remember the two. So the ceiling ones, the stalactite ones come from the ceiling, and the G ones might come from the ground. Ooh, very smart. Ooh, another science word here. Another earth science word by Dorothy Ann. Metamorphic. Comes from a word that means to change. I didn't know rocks could change. Oh, it takes millions of years. This beautiful marble used to be limestone. They make statues out of marble. Miss Frizzle, Teacher of the Year, picture there. The farther down we went, the hotter it got. The rocks were harder too. These are rocks that were changed from one kind to another kind by heat and pressure, explained the Frizz. Rocks that were changed are called metamorphic rocks. Ooh, that makes sense. Limestone plus heat plus pressure plus time equals marble. Oh, cool. This rock used to be shale, it was changed to slate. Slate is harder than shale. This rock is very hard. Knock, knock. Cut it out. How igneous rocks were formed. Oh, another report by Michael. Melted rock can push up through cracks in the Earth's crust. When the melted rock cools and hardens, it is called igneous rock. Igneous rock, yeah. Still another earth science word by Dorothy Ann. Igneous comes from a word that means fire. The heat inside the earth is like fire. It can melt rocks. Wow. I never knew rocks could melt. This igneous rock is called granite. Many buildings and monuments are made of granite. Arnold, will you carry these samples? Earth science is heavy, man. We went down even farther toward the center of the earth. We hit rock that was formed billions of years ago from a pool of melted rock under the earth's surface. Rock like this is called igneous rock. Wow. We're lucky the bus is air conditioned. What is your favorite rock? Rock and roll. Oh my. We had dug all the way through the Earth's crust. It was so hot now that Miss Frizzle told us to get back in the bus. Okay, there we go. That's part 3. Hopefully you enjoyed it. We will chat with you about part 4 soon. Bye-bye.